Perhaps the question that we're asked more often than any other is, why did we decide to set worldwide financial planning up in Cornwall? Most people would expect a firm like Worldwide Financial Planning to be based in London. One reason for our location was the lower cost compared to London. Our primary aim as a business has always been to raise the bar in terms of advice and service for our customers and keep costs as low as possible. Too many people are still forced to buy expensive products from banks and other financial institutions, costing many percent in certain areas in disguised fees. That's not how we do things. At Worldwide, we don't believe in selling products with hidden fees and charges, leaving you feeling tied in. That's why we use a transparent and open charging structure. We make sure that you only pay for the advice you receive. What's more, with access to an industry-leading investment platform, we are often able to pass on further discounts directly back to you.
Many of the people who are here have done something brave. They've chosen to be here, which means that they are individual, they are strong, they have opinions, they think about stuff. And to be honest, I think that is the most important reason why I stay here.
Worldwide was established in 1998 with specialists rather than generalists. Our team today includes many of the people who started out with us, along with a vast number of graduates who have been taken through our academy over the years. Over the last few years, our advisors have amassed 16 Financial Times Awards.
I think the thing about whether Cornwall is a great place to do business or not is in the mind.
The restaurant is like working in a London restaurant, very busy. We managed to get some amazing products in Cornwall, fish-wise and shellfish. And like I said, 12 years ago when I came in Cornwall working for a week, there was not much hotel and restaurant choice in Cornwall. And now there's more and more competition. There's some good places in Cornwall to eat.
We're proud to be based here in Cornwall, a county which is a world leader in renewable energy with our groundbreaking Wave Hub. This is the first offshore facility to demonstrate arrays of wave energy generation devices. At Worldwide, we're committed to sustainability and have awards for our green and ethical investment advice.
Cornwall for us is an ideal place to do business, and if you look at the renewables sector across Cornwall, there's geothermal, there's solar, there's wave energy, so it's all here.
Cornwall also has next generation broadband, which will provide speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second, giving us the best rural connection in the world. In fact, we're confident we can compete with any city in the world for speed. As a Cornwall-based business, we're taking full advantage of the benefits this can offer.
I think a financial business based in Cornwall has quite a lot to commend itself for being A, far-sighted and B, individual thinking.
Yeah, Cornwall is a great place for brought up kids, beautiful beaches.
We mentioned the lower costs of being based in Cornwall. Maybe even more importantly, Cornwall is an incomparable place to do business, to work and to live. Cornwall gives us an enviable work-life balance that is hard to find anywhere else. We have breathtaking coastline, world-class beaches, the internationally famous Rick Stein's restaurant, beautiful places to stay, and miles of water to surf, boat, fish or simply swim in. Don't just take our word for it though, come and see for yourself. You'll always receive a warm welcome from Worldwide and from Cornwall.